5 of exercise 4.2. Now in this one they are saying find the range of values of m. I have to find the range of values of m. This is the first thing they are telling us. When the roots of equation, now an equation is given to me mx square plus 2 equals to x into x plus 3. mx square plus 2 equals to x into x plus 3. This is the equation given to me. And they are saying that this thing is having no real roots. Has no real roots. I have to find the value of m. How will I find it? So first thing, I will expand it and bring it in the simplified form. So mx square plus 2 x square plus 3x. So when I will shift it over here, to see what is going to happen, x square minus mx square plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Taking x square common, 1 minus m plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay? In x square in term, I have taken x square common. X term in constant is written as it is. Now, discriminant equals to b square minus 4ac. So, what is your b? b is the coefficient of x. That is 3 square minus 4. A is coefficient of x square. So, whatever is written with x square, 1 minus m. And c is minus 2. That is the discriminant right now. Now they are saying that it has no real root. So what does it mean? That the discriminant is lesser than 0. So this is my discriminant and this thing is lesser than 0. Okay? So simplifying it, 3 square will be 9. Minus minus plus 2 4s are 8. 1 minus m lesser than 0. Simplifying it, 9 plus 8 minus 8m lesser than 0. So this will become 17 minus 8m shifted over here will become plus 8m. 8 is being multiplied. When I will shift it over here, 17 over 8 lesser than m. Okay. So now it means any value which is lesser than, for any value of m which is greater than this, if I will plot it over here, I will have no real root in the given scenario. This can also be written as 2.125. Right? So they are saying m is greater than 2.125. So where any value of m which is greater than 2.125, we will plot it over here or over here and simplify the whole thing. Your equation will have no real root. We will not be able to get the value of x. That's the whole concept over here.